That stage is a special place. Boys and girls can all be queens every single day.
All right, today we're going to bring a karaoke machine. Now, this one has two microphones that automatically turn on when you hit the power button. It'll automatically identify the actual mics into the system. Now, they do give you an audio jack and also a USB to charge it, all right? So it's a charging station for here. It's a type C to type A. And of course, they added the control. You have different modes. You got the number for the stations because this actually has FM and AM stations that you can control from here. You can hit forward and rewind, or you could next song. It's very simple to actually do this and use this controller. Now, the same things you can do from there, you can actually do from the top, but without the actual digits, all right? So let's take a look at the actual top. This is for a microphone if you want to connect a different microphone in here, the larger connection. Type A, 5 volts to connect. And then it has a micro SD card reader because it actually reads MP3s. So you don't even need audio or any kind of Bluetooth connection. You could just use the card itself if you have your own MP3s. USB to actually charge other devices or actually connect other devices in here. And then you have all these knobs in here, including the actual bottom connections. I'm going to talk about modes. On the modes, you could change the different connections you have to inputs, all right? Because Bluetooth, you have to enable through here, FM, AM through here, and then previous, pause, play, next, LED lights, because it comes with LED lights, and then playback. Besides the knob, you have echo, mic volume, bass, treble, and volume. And volume will be the actual controller to turn it on. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's gonna identify what he wants.
Connected.
And because I'm connected to Bluetooth, it automatically connected to this, right? But you still have to set it up. Microphone wise, it automatically connects. Test 1, 2, 3. So on the microphone, we're gonna show you how to change the mic effect. If you don't want the echo, test. Change the echo. Testing 1, 2, 3. We can mess with the controller here. Test 1, 2, 3. Audio volume control. Turn it off. Turn it on. And then it gives you the actual audio here, and it tells you that it's connected to Bluetooth. If you guys can see Bluetooth, and then the battery. It tells you how much battery, because this is rechargeable. Take it with you. You don't need power with it. It'll last you for plenty of hours. Now, depending on the usage and depending if you're using for microphone or if you're using the audio. Now the best part, it has subwoofers on the side, right? And also, it has wheels because this actually is mobile. So you could take your own party anywhere. And rechargeable microphones, all right? You don't need batteries. All you got to do is type C to type A, or you can connect them directly to the actual speaker and charge them. So these will last you for a couple hours too, depending on the usage. LED, I'm going to hit the button. It changes tones. Different tone. Another tone. We're going to go to the actual light effect, and we're going to leave this one on. This is my favorite.
Girl,